You ready to go live?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro. Let's go. Yes, guys. How are we?
Oh.
Oh, God. Welcome. 9th of March, 2021. Lovely. How's everyone doing?
We're both wearing fucking white shirts today. White Tuesday.
Yeah. So basically, what's going on? Fuck's sake. One sec, bro. Sorry. Yeah. So, what's been going on? So, I've entered a few. Go on. What's been going on with you, first of all, Joey boy? What's happening?
No, I was. Do you remember the last live we had? I was kind of bearish on the BTC, and thank God it didn't play out.
Yeah.
So I was stuck in. I had my money in Tether for a while, and I had like my limit order set at 50k. So I got tagged in like, I don't know if yesterday or Sunday or something. So I'm actually just back into BTC now and trading the BTC bot and trading some futures as always.
Yeah. Yeah. Bear in mind, Joe, with our bot, obviously the more parabolic and the more powerful the trend is, the less likely it is to perform. So you might need to change your settings. I don't know.
Yeah, but if BTC like decides to go on a bull run from here, we're gonna get other coins that like retrace that weakens versus the BTC.
Oh yeah. True.
So it would actually be a good thing that that BTC would start to do something instead of do nothing. But
it's still doing. It is doing something at the moment. It's just a little pullback. Yeah. It's gonna go to 70k in like 2 months. 1 month it's 70k. So yeah, I've been doing a bit of research. So I've got a new project that I was in. I don't know if I told you about. I messaged you yesterday, but you didn't really mention anything. There's a project called DAG. DAG, and it's basically a constellation network. And what they're doing is just data. That's the best way I can explain it. Someone's explained it to me, but I can't really relay it in a technical way. So this is how I understand it, just briefly. So let's give an example. Like in the future, obviously, we know that autonomous cars is going to be a thing, right?
Yeah, of course.
So autonomous cars is going to be a thing, and so let's say you got a Tesla, you got a Ford, you got a BMW. They're all going to be driving themselves, yeah. Or semi anyway, and they already do it in Saudi Arabia in like some uni campuses. They drive themselves, yeah. So basically, all these vehicles, even though they're on different networks, different cars, they're all going to need to speak to each other and communicate, and they're all going to have a common protocol and a data set. And DAG is what's going to basically provide that. So that's going to be like the common language between all the cars, and that's how they all share data. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
So they're all going to do it. So the Department of Defense in America, they've got a partnership with DAG, the Department of Defense.
Yeah.
They're going to be using it, I think, for their drones and all that type of shit. So it's going to be absolutely crazy, bro. It's only 3.5 cents.
All right. So, and as people like come out with any price target of this one?
Yeah, people are saying like $5 this year, bro.
Holy crap! That's a 100x.
Yeah, more than that, and it's 3.5 cents. And bro, they've been working on it for the past 3 years, and it only just broke out. Yes, like it broke out last week, and I'm like, shit, I'm getting in that. So I'm in that, and that's going to be big.
I'm in Bake as well. Bake.
Are you in Bake?
Yeah.
Are you in Bake?
I'm in Bake. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm in Bake. I'm in Bake as well. Bake's up today. It's up 20%, I think. 21%.
I bought Bake a bit higher up, so just gotta sit in the position for a while. I'm probably down like 30% or something.
Yeah, but the thing is, this is the thing with Bake. This is what I try to explain to people. So basically, you've got Binance Chain, yeah? Binance Chain is like Ethereum, but it's a whole different thing. So you've got Binance Chain. Binance Chain is shit. If we're realistic, is shit. But people that are on Binance Chain, they need to, if they want to use a decentralized exchange, they've got three choices: Pancake, Bake, or Burger Swap. They've got 3 exchanges. That's the only option on Binance. And Binance is doing a lot of volume at the moment. Binance Chain is doing a lot of volume. There's a lot of shit coins on there, but there's people that are using it. So anyone that's on there is going to be using Bake or Cake. That's what they're going to be using. Bake or Cake. That's why Bake is going to do mad numbers. Bake is going to $20. I'll tell you that right now. Soon.
First you bake, then you make cake.
Then you cake.
That's what that was a cheap one.
Yeah.
That was a cheap one.
This is it. What we're going to do, let me just show you a few little setups I got. Share my screen, Joe, for me, please.
Your screen is shared on CryptoQuant.
All right, cool. 1 sec. Stop screen. Share. 1 sec. All right. So you can see the bake chart, Joe, yeah?
Yeah, I can see your bake chart now.
Yeah. So cut a long story short, guys. Pump and then correction, pump, long correction. So this is literally going to go. This is going to be going to $5 like within the next month, 2-3 weeks, I reckon. It's definitely going $5, yeah. So that's something. Nothing special, Bake. I'm not really interested in it. I'm in it, but don't really care about it. Ocean is a nice setup at the moment. So if we look, Ocean is in a sort of a range. He's broken out. He's retested this area. He's probably going to piss about for a few days, and then it's going to go long. So expect something like this. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe that as well. Boom. Something like that. Yeah.
It's pulling back.
Yeah, but these markets are so volatile, bro. It doesn't matter. It will turn around overnight. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting with Ocean. What else? What else have we got? Band is Band's a good one. I got in this literally the other day. These setups, do you know what the best setups are? The best setups are the ones that just come back to resistance. Yeah, that. Like that. These are the best setups. Up there, boom, and you buy it off here and you make money quick. So look, if it's down there, if you've been down there, oh, for fuck's sake, got this magnet on. Crying out loud. Yeah, look, you're up 30% anyway. Do you know what I'm saying? They're the best setups, the ones where they come back to the level. So I think RSR is a similar thing as well. 1 sec. Same thing with RSR. You see how RSR does? It comes back to the same level. If you're when you want to get in a project, if you want to go like put a big position in, this is what you got to wait for. You got to wait for it to come back to the same level, and then because that's how you get the quickest gains. Look, this is up 2x in how long is that? 2065, 2 weeks. So it's 100% gain in 2 weeks, which is really good, very good. So this is what you got to look for. What else have we got? I'm actually in Flamingo as well. So I got in that same sort of situation. I got in Flamingo, Curve as well. I'm in. So all these ones are about to pump. We're about to enter price discovery for everything. So it's the same situation with all of it. Yeah, a little correction. Boom, 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 boom. And that's that. What else? This is the coin that I was telling you about. So this is the Constellation network. Yeah, I haven't even spoke about this too much because I want to get in it first before everyone starts getting in. Yeah. So basically, look, basically, this has been stuck in a range for like 2 years. Yeah, and it's just broken out of the range. It just broke out of the range. Where was it? I can't remember. It was basically stuck in the range. One sec. Oh, it's this one, didn't you? Yeah, so here, look, here's the dollar range. So look, it was stuck here for the ages, for the last 2 years, stuck underneath here. They was working. They've been about for like 3 years, yeah? Look, this is just literally pumped up, popped out of here. And now it's going to...
now it's going to go.
Yeah, and now it's going to go. So what it might do, it might go like this. It might go like that. And then go long. That's what I think it's going to do.
Yeah.
So that's a good one. So keep your eye out for that. I think that's probably what's going to happen, to be honest with you. I think that's probably what's going to happen. What else have we got? Hathor. I call this one at 17 cents, yeah? It's about $1 now. I call this at 17 cents, bro. 17 cents. One sec, where is it? No, not this one. Where is it? Yes, there you go. Yeah, 17 cents. So, oh, God. So I caught it here, down here somewhere, when it was ranging. I called it when it was here at the bottom, ranging. This thing will go to $15 this year, I think. I think it'll go to $15. So, yeah, that's a good project. Really good project. What you got to show us, Joe?
I can show you something neat. Something neat, man.
Say again?
I can show you something cool.
Yeah, go on, show me something.
I have my screen here. Take out my email. I'm talking about this before. This was 1 month ago. Still been trading this one, but look at this area here.
FLM.
Flamingo.
Yeah, Flamingo, yeah.
So,
Joe, how are you getting on with the future trading?
Yeah, I make like 100% a week.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're doing all right, bro, man.
But I take what I tend to do is like I have $1,000 inside it, then I trade it up to like
2K,
and then I either
withdraw.
I put some money in this bastard. No, not that one.
Oh, you got your Binance card. Nice. I need to get one, man. I'm going to get mine at the end of the year. I'm going to wait until the bull runs over, then get mine.
So it's actually pretty nice because you can stake. You don't stake, but you get like rebates when you're using it. So you get cash back straight into your account. So I put maybe like $500 on that one, and I spend it for like groceries. And if I need to buy something, I bought myself new shades because spring is now coming to Norway, And then I put like $500 into some spot positions a week.
That's good, man. You're doing well, bro. I need to.
Yeah.
I want to start trading futures as well, man. But I'm just waiting on something to come through.
But this Flamingo, you can see how well it reacts, and you can either go further back here, but like 40 cents, we're always going to be like a big round number for this one. And you can see when we had a drop here in the middle of February, it like just tapped into the 40 cent region, and it then just flew off again, and it did 50%. But this is kind of I'm going to be honest and say I didn't take this position, because when something like this happens and it comes down so sharp and so steep, I don't want to sit and risking it doing this. So I didn't take that, but it's just another confidence that this area is strong. Same as down here, strong. can see here also reacting well before it breaks and goes down. Same area turns into resistance. We have resistance again. And when we have the break, we go up and scroll in. What you can see, 42 goes back into the region, acts as support now, and then pulls away. So I wouldn't be surprised if we got like another bounce here before it really started to kick in.
Maybe, yeah.
Because this is kind of like still correcting. This is like, if you want to look at BNB today, this is more a volatile move when you just move straight up. FLM is like kind of correctingly moving up, so you move inside a channel. So that's why I believe that we can have a break of this to the downside and take the trade from here again.
Yeah. Do you know what the thing is? Sometimes I'm over optimistic about the market, and I think to myself, "Oh yeah, it's going to fly from here." But if you zoom out, if you look at it, the way it's still moving like forex. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, it does. It does. And if you want to, we can look at the forex pair that moves kind of similar.
Yeah, crypto's moving like that, but it's just going up. It's moving the same flipping way as that, but it's going up. So you can't rule out these pullbacks.
Clear, remove the drawings here. So this is more or less the same thing. You move up inside a channel. Here you have a big move. Move inside channels.
Ooh.
You drop hard. This is probably, what's this, NFP or something? I don't know. Move in channels. Move in channels. And then it's what this is going to do now. Probably something like channel, break of the channel, come back, create a new channel on the way up. And this is how forex moves. But then again, if we skip back to crypto and look at FLM, then FLM moves kind of similar. Channel up, channel down, channel up, then you move, channel up, and then you get a move back, channels. So it does the same things as forex.
Yeah, it would do though. The thing is, the market is just like a reflection of people's emotions. That's all it is, right?
Yeah.
It's just a reflection of people's emotions. So when you see a big drop and then a pullback, and it's all just emotions in the market.
Yeah.
That's why after a big pump, you'll see a big dump and whatever. So
we were also talking about this. This is the level to watch in the S&P.
Yeah. What's that doing? Is it coming down?
It came down almost to that, almost there, and it bounced back yesterday, I think. Daily.
Yeah.
And this has just been, and this is why, like, you have people now. I know a lot of people got into the markets around here, and they're calling themselves traders.
Yeah. What is that?
All the fucking market. This is the COVID drop.
Oh yeah, COVID. Yeah.
1 year ago. So people are calling themselves traders. They're so successful because they made 100% on their investments.
Yeah, and now,
but man, all you fucking did.
Yeah, exactly.
Even my daughter, and she's 5 years old, she could hit the buy button there. Okay.
Yeah, and then do you know what the worst thing is? When the market is in a downtrend, they're not going to make any money. They're going to sit there doing nothing.
So imagine this: we just like put this side to side by cryptos. So this dropped 35%. It was like everybody thought the world was going to shit when this dropped.
Yeah.
Okay. We have 35 pullbacks during a bull run in BTC.
Yeah.
And what have we done now? Congratulations. Yeah. If you got out at the high, you did the 81%. Well done. But let me see if we can.
Yeah, it's good.
Congratulations if you bought BNB. in December. Blah 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 blah. Here is the drop, because you have the same drop in cryptos, so probably 75%. Imagine if you bought, and it's easy to be a Monday morning quarterback, but imagine if you bought this. Holy crap, you just made 4,600%. Congratulations. If you got out to the top. So the difference is huge. And
Yeah, the difference is
markets,
huge.
like the difference between these markets haven't settled yet. There is, I don't want to guess a number here on the upside, but there's probably a lot of more room to move in. But
That thing can go to 3K if it wants.
It can go to 3K, it can go to 5K, and it can go to 750. Who the hell knows? But these markets are topped out, man.
Yeah,
I don't believe.
top
I remember I wrote on Twitter, like when it was the election. I don't Twitter as much as you do. I don't.
Yeah.
You're kind of the skilled guy on Twitter here. But I remember during the president election, Biden-Trump, I tweeted that this election is priced in. So because people were so afraid if Biden were going to win, what is that going to do to the economy? Blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
And I tweeted, S&P is going to hit 4K by next summer anyways.
Yeah.
And it's not 4K, but it's almost 4K. But this is going to 4K soon, but I don't really see it moving much more now when like institutions really get to start to get their eyes up for cryptos.
Yeah, I don't. And one thing, I was looking at some figures the other day, and the total market cap of the S&P 500, all those companies in the S&P is 31 trillion. That's the market cap in that. So imagine if that drops. Let's say that drops 30%, and 10 trillion comes out of the market. If 10 trillion comes off that market, I would bet maybe 1 trillion is going to come into crypto.
Yes, at least
1 trillion will come into crypto because people are going to be like, listen, where am I going to put my money? Gold ain't doing nothing. Silver's not doing nothing. I need to get into crypto where the money's at. And then 1 trillion, if 1 trillion comes into this market, it will flood the market. It will flood it, mate. I'm telling you. 1 trillion is a lot. It will come down. Even if your project puts like, I don't know, 100 million in it, it's going to make a big difference because people are going to start rushing.
And even though like you have, so let's keep the most important thing, and the most important thing is to get paid, right? So you want to find something that secures either your financial future or that you get paid today. So either you're investing in this market for a long term and you want to like whatever your goal is it to buy a new car, is it to buy a new house, is it to go on a vacation, set a goal. But the most important thing is that you really find a market that you understand. And for me to sit and trade this S&P stupid shit when I can trade cryptos is just nonsense. Oh, did you get an entry on your bot? Can you check?
I don't think so. Don't forget, I haven't got enough Ethereum in there. Entry for what?
Enough Ethereum. Let me see if it takes some trades. Yeah.
Where?
Easy.
What pair?
Easy at.
Yeah, so, F what? What was the pair though?
Easy.
Oh, easy. Oh.
Yeah, easy.
Easy. I can't see it.
No,
I can't see it, bro. That wasn't. Mate, do you know what it is?
Try to send you the signal because it's only open like on
yeah, but I haven't got the balance, so.
No, that's the problem.
Yeah, I haven't got the balance. I haven't got the balance in there. That's why.
How easy BTC? Same thing. Crap! I should have traded easy. Yeah, whatever.
I might. You know what I might do?
Nah.
I'm thinking about putting more ETH in it. Oh, fuck. I need to just think about what I'm doing, man.
You know, it would have been a lot easier like now if you had $1 million, because then you could like just diversify your portfolio and
bro, not even that, bro. Not even 1 million, bro. Just like 100K, and I could be like, right, I want to put 20 in Bitcoin, 30 in Ethereum, and then I'll have 50 for shitcoins.
Yeah.
And I'll put 10, boom, boom, 10, 10, 10. When you just got like 5 figures, it ain't the same. It's not the same, man.
Percentage wise, it is, but like the payoff, the most important thing is the payoff, and that's why we're gonna play around, and that's kind of what I'm like. What should I say? What messed me up as well this last weeks is that I was with these spot positions. I was kind of trying to play. What should I say? Trying to play tougher than like I'm trying to outsmart the market, and I ended up 1 week where I wasn't trading at all, and I got back in Bitcoin at the same place I sold it. So I actually spent 1 week without making money, and that's bad.
Yeah, I know. But don't forget, once these markets actually start moving properly, you'll be making 100% a month. So you don't even need to. Yeah. Fucking hell. Yeah. Once these markets start moving, you're literally you'll be making decent money. So you won't need to think about that.
Fuck, easy, it's moving. It's just falling off the cliff. It's straight puke.
So 1 minute though, that's the thing.
Yeah, it's a 1 minute.
It's the 1 minute though. Go on for 1 hour, and it probably won't be that bad. Yeah.
How is easy looking versus Tether? Is that? Yeah, same thing.
Do you know what the worst thing about that coin is? I think it's not a good project. You know that?
Probably not.
Yeah, it's not a good project. That's why it's not going up. It's just doing nothing. Look, it's ranging. So if I was you, I'd remove that off your pairs, mate, because it's a shit. It's a shit. Remove it off all for everything, mate, because it's not a good project. It's shit. That's why it's doing that. Yeah, one sec.
Puke.
Yeah. So what was I going to say to you? Yeah. So shall I go through the on-chain stuff, Joe?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, go on. Show my screen.
Holy crap. Ocean is falling as well.
Let's have a look. One sec. What's falling? Ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not much, bro. Fucking hell. It's minor. It's minor, bro. Don't worry about that. Ocean's not doing. Is
touching the high here. Do you want to share a screen?
Yeah, I've shared. I think I shared it. No.
No, I haven't.
Oh, okay. Right. So, guys, basically, for those of you who don't know, I've got so basically there's obviously technical analysis, which is obviously looking for areas of weakness and strength on the chart. Yeah. So looking for areas that prices are visited, revisited, broke through with impulse, stuff like that. So that's obviously technical analysis, and then obviously you've got another side which is fundamental analysis. And what it's called is on-chain. It's called on-chain analysis, blockchain analysis, or blockchain economics, basically. And what it does is it allows you, because the beauty about the blockchain is everything's transparent, so you can see, like with stocks and currency, forex, for example, you don't know how much dollars are out there. You don't know. It's all fucking smokes and mirrors. You don't know how much dollars are out there. You don't know how much they're putting out there. It's all like a bit of like a smokes and mirrors situation. With the blockchain, you can literally see how much money is coming onto the network. Who's bringing their Bitcoin back onto the network? Who's just sold it? Who's sent their Bitcoin to a wallet? who is mining, what the miners are doing. Yeah. So this is just some of the templates that I'm using at the moment. I'm doing a lot of studying in regards to this stuff. It's going to help me sort of trade and get through some stuff. So basically, if you look at these spikes, spike there, spike there, spike there, spike there, spike here, these are all when the miners take profit. So you can see what the miners are renowned for doing is selling into profit. Yeah, that's what they do. They sell into profit. So you can see here, they sold here. Yeah, look at that. As soon as they sold, price come down. What's going on, man? Fuck's sake. Where's the rest of the data? Where is it? Fuck's sake. I don't know where the rest of the data is.
Are we falling out? Yeah, probably. This should hold. Should hold. Or else there could be not trouble, but some trouble. You're back in.
Yeah, back in. I don't know what's going on, bro. Like, it's
Your
annoying.
internet is shit.
Is it mine or yours?
It's yours, I think.
Fuck's sake. Sorry, man. Right. So basically, yeah, what we're looking at, what I was showing you guys was what's going on here? Okay. Mine is outflow. Yeah. So what I was showing you was, yeah. So you can see when the miners take profit, price drops. Miners take profit here. Boom. Price is dropping. Do you know what I'm saying? So that's basically how they're getting in and what the miners are doing. Look, miners took profit here. Price drop. Price drop literally from, let's say here, 40K down to 30K. So it's a 25% drop, yeah? So these, if you follow what the miners are doing, it will keep you in the game. Even if you don't come out. So let's say even if the market goes up and the miners, you see they're taking profit, you can literally just set your stop loss underneath price. So if it does drop, you come out. That way you're not going to get stuck. So that's one of the tools that I'm using. Another one is Coinbase outflow. So this basically tells you when Coinbase are getting in a big way. So this is only on a daily time frame though, yeah, I think, or the hourly as well. But look, so if you look, 2017, yeah, they were buying here, so they got in here. If you just followed them, you would have got in there, and you would have just made a lot of money all the way up. Then again, if you get in here, you'll see they made a lot of money again. If you got in here, you will see that, look, boom, they're getting in, they got a lot of money. If you're getting in there, the thing is, these guys, they're only buying like twice a year. They're not here, but they don't buy loads of Bitcoin a lot of times. You'll just see they'll just put in one big order once a year, and that is when you need to make sure you're ready. Like, look, so you've got December 18th, February, since from January 2019 to 2020, they didn't buy anything. That market the whole time, they were just holding. They probably took profit here. Then they bought again a year later. So they're literally buying like every year. That's what they're doing. So that's how you have to be wary. So that's that. And then obviously the last one that I use is called I don't know, man. Joe?
What's happening? Yeah, I can hear you, but you're kind of falling out. It's kind of laying back where you explain this.
Yeah.
And stuff a bit, but yeah.
No. Wait. What? Yeah. This is This is what we call the Bitcoin all exchanges inflow. Yeah. So basically, let's say you've got a lot of Bitcoin on a cold wallet. This is when the Bitcoin comes back onto the exchanges. So the only reason people put Bitcoin back onto the exchange is because they want to exchange it for fiat, which means that price is going to be bearish. That's the only reason. There's no reason you would take your Bitcoin off your wallet and put it on Binance. There's no other reason than to sell it. So once you see this type of stuff happening, be wary. That's all I got to say. Look, here, price went down. Here, price went down. So you got to be on point and you got to stay focused because you don't know what's going to happen. Even here, look, there, boom, price went down. So whenever these guys put all their money on all their Bitcoin back onto the exchange, be wary that you might have to take profit. So that's basically the 3 indicators that I'm using at the moment. Going to be using a few more things. Yeah, that's pretty much it at the moment, to be honest with you. That's pretty much it at the moment. All the markets are red today. Shitty and red. Every fucking thing. Everything.
Yeah, I was actually thinking about getting into Ocean again.
You was thinking about getting into Ocean?
Yeah, look at this.
Well, that's it. I think everything's going to turn around now anyways. The US session. Show me?
Yeah, I have my screen up.
Yeah, I had that. That's what I was saying. It's a good place to buy it. You should buy it with a little bit of leverage.
I think you could buy this with a bit of leverage.
Yeah, mate. Buy that with a little bit of leverage. And you're laughing. I was speaking to a friend last night, and we were talking about something called Pareto's law, which is it's like a law, like a theory that 80% of your money or 80% of your results come from 20% of the activity. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you've got a company and you're making in your whatever, you got 20% of the people do 80% of the work. 20% of your money, 80% of your money comes from 20% of your customers, stuff like that. Yeah. So that's basically the metric. And what we were saying was, if you apply that to crypto, we were saying that it's likely that 20% of the time spent in crypto will make you 80% of your gains. And that will be towards the end, towards the euphoric stage. So from now until I'd say September, October, don't expect to make anything more than like 4 or 5x.
No.
Yeah, up until October. Yeah, up until October, I would say, up until Q4, we're going to make about 4x. Yeah. So let's say you start with 10K. October, you will have 40, 50K, I'd say. But then October to probably November, that might double. Yeah. So then you've got 100K. Then in the last month before this all comes crashing down, these markets will do a 2x or a 3x in a month. They'll do a 2x or a 3x in a month, trust me. So that's what I'm saying. So just be wary and stay tuned.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen. You got anything else you want to run through, Joe?
No, I don't have anything. I only had like Ocean and Flamingo.
Yeah, perfect.
See if we can see this area in Flamingo, 40 cents.
Yeah, maybe, bro. If not, it might not even. It might not even come down that far, bro. To be honest, I don't think it will. I think it will just go. It might just go. You know, even Ocean, everyone's looking at it thinking it's going to drop. It's only because it's the US session about to open. In about 3 hours' time, this is when everything changes. In 3 hours' time, everything will change. The market will look not totally, but the market will look different. Buyers will start coming into Ocean very, very soon. So if you're going to get into Ocean, pretty now's a good time. Get in, buy the dip.
Yeah, I think so. I think this will be the right time to get in.
Yeah, bro, that's it. What else is going on? Yeah, guys, listen, get in the group. Click the link in the group. In the YouTube, our Discord links in there. We're sending setups in there. We haven't been that active in there recently because I've been working on a few stuff, but I've been posting setups in there. I'll post a few stuff in there in a minute. Yeah, so subscribe to the channel on the Twitch, on the YouTube. Subscribe to it all. Follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is Quant QUANT_in_crypto. Yeah, follow me there. Subscribe to the YouTube and get in the Discord as well. If anyone's got any questions, if anyone wants to use our robots, you can use that. We'll give you a month free. If anyone wants to use the robots, we'll give you a month free. You can test it out. You got to have a minimum balance of 10K though. So if you ain't got 10K, don't even bother. And yeah, that's pretty much it, Joe. You got anything else you want to run through?
No, I think we can do a live again on Thursday or Friday or something like that.
All right, mate. Yeah.
Well, I get my call now, so you can round it off, okay?
All right, brother.
Say bye to everyone. You can
take care, guys. Guys, I'll speak to you soon, yeah?